How to buy penny stocks on Fidelity. Just in case you're new to the stock market, a common query arises and you might consider how to play the stock market for making profits. The market is among the places of the most profitable investments. There are lots of ways through which you'll earn returns nowadays. As a result of the recognition of internet alternatives has raised. Just pick the appropriate option for you, as well as you might learn how to play the stock market to your benefit. That really is one of basic formulas to play the stock market for fresh investors and also experts. Basically, that involves you have to buy shares at the lowest cost, typically where the industry or the overall market is down. Subsequent to that, you'll sell those same stocks when the firm or the market recovers. In general, the choice of the stocks with the best opportunity of recovery is certainly an art in itself. For many investors, those stocks of consumer goods, pharmaceutical, as well as electrical industries were stable sources of the investment regardless of condition of national economy. The entry and exit approach is one of the important methods to play the stock market for making returns. Basically, you are going to set the restrictions on the amount of you could profit from a trade, as well as the amount of you can pay for it to lose and keep away from further losses. Let us assume, in case your return is restricted to some $1,000 on shares of a firm, then sell it. If the loss limit is half the total amount of your maximum revenue, subsequently sell the stock before it slides down any lower. Like that, you will play the stock market to create revenue and decrease losses. This is another important method to play the stock market, is requesting suggestion from the experts. There is no shame in requesting specialist suggestion to create sure you're on right path. Mainly if you are now beginning, it is best to have tip from experts and learn from their skill. In addition, they may lead to profitable as well as legit investment opportunities. Otherwise, you have to be much active on trade, and the way to perform it, you choose the investments and learn how to play the stock market. Trading in the stock market is just like a game that you play and you must take very seriously. To succeed with this market game, you should work hard. You must understand how to play the stock market. You should follow the stock market very carefully. The two most significant things that you really need to consider are time as well as hard work. Just in case you don't have time to place hard work, then you may play the stock market by subscribing to free weekly wealth letter. The stock market newsletter packed with money-making investment ideas will be delivered to your inbox every Tuesday morning. The weekly wealth letter is loaded with unique insights and powerful resources for wealth building through smart investing. It will provide you all information you need to put a trade on. The weekly wealth letter is totally free. You don't have to pay any subscription fees for this service.